thing's so close here on that right side. Beautiful. Good. There you go. Perfect. Good, buddy.
Oh, good job, Roy. No, that hurts on this side.
I mean, this thing's so close here on that right side, and so it rotates forward on the left, and it just congests up underneath the TMJ up here. What's more tender, up in there or up in there?
They're kind of the same. Those spots don't specifically hurt. It's when you get
The atlas.
in there,
right
yeah.
there.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, and then it just threw the lymphatics here. Okay. Let's go ahead and go face down. We're gonna clear that right out. And it's warm. See, you feel it there.
Yeah.
But where I feel it just jabbing at you, coming from that left side, going anterior and then posterior. So when I push up against the posterior side, you feel that. And you're like, oh yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah.
And then all the congestion in the upper back. So go ahead and take a deep breath in and let that go. Perfect. Take another deep breath in. Roy, you're next. Uh-oh. Did you lose your froggy? Let's lie on your back there. Which side's more tender?
The right.
So I agree with you. It's standing out way more there. And then which side's more tender here?
They're the same.
Okay. We're gonna get right under the occiput here. Perfect. And that just opened up nicely. Are you getting, how's that feeling so far? Not the neck, but just the breathing.
Okay.
Good. And then drop this over here. Oh, that one's whole. Good. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna drop that right shoulder and look that. Less or same?
Way less.
That's crazy. That is awesome. So things just the tension, the whole just drops down into these areas. I'm still gonna just work that trigger a little bit. Take a deep breath in. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. And we're just gonna stimulate the sinuses here. You're gonna feel it vibrate pretty good through the frontal and the sphenoid and the maxillary here, but when we get over to that other side, it's probably gonna be like very dense. Which one's more tender?
It's gonna hurt right there.
And one more. Just gonna clear this out. Good. There you go. Nice. Okay, let's have a seat at the bottom. And release your fingers behind your neck. Relax. Perfect. Okay, lie on your back at the top again. And just take some deep breaths. Now grab this little guy. You all right? Can I get you, buddy? Come here. Whoa. Hi. How are you? You looking for mom? Oh, no, you're not. You're looking for this guy. Can you grab it? Yes. Oh. That was awesome. Straight to the mouth.
Yep.
Okay. You go tummy to tummy. So louder. Okay, tighten your tummy, Mama. Good. I did that same adjustment to a 9-week-old yesterday.
Yeah.
Right afterwards, she just started tooting right in my hand. Like, thank you. Okay, Mama, can you give him a hug? There you go. Right there. You're so active, buddy. Good. Nice. Great job, big boy. You go ahead and sit up. Put your feet flat on the ground. And we'll put... So how old are you now, Rory?
9 months.
Oh my goodness. Right there. Nope. Right here.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Real quick. Are you smiling? That's a smile.
Oh, good job, Roy. Good job,
Big
bud.
R. That's a smile. Come on.
Oh, you're okay. You're okay.
There you go. You don't even know if you're smiling or not. Like, am I smiling? Am I crying? I don't know. What's the consensus, Mama? Here we go. Good job, big boy.
Good job.
Back to our chewing.
Good job.
It was chewing the froggy. Okay. Great job.
Thank you.
Okay, a lot better.
Oh, my neck. That one was awesome.
Yeah, good. Okay. Don't go beating up your mama.
I know.